Imagine waking up and realizing you made money while you were asleep. No clients, no clocking in, just systems running quietly in the background, earning for you 24/7. That's not a fantasy anymore. In 2025, automation has made it possible for ordinary people to build digital income machines from zero. And the best part? You don't need to be a genius, a coder, or a millionaire, you just need to understand the blueprint. Meet Lucas. 2 years ago, he was stuck in a dead-end job, working 10 hours a day and dreaming of more time with his family. He wasn't looking to get rich, he just wanted freedom. One night, he watched a video about building automated income systems and decided to try. He started small, no followers, no tech background, just curiosity. He learned how to connect simple tools. One platform to attract attention, one to process payments, and one to deliver digital product. Within 90 days, he made his first $100 while he slept. Then $1,000. Today, his system earns more than his job ever did, and it runs almost entirely without him. Lucas didn't discover a secret. He just followed a formula. The same thousands of people are using right now to escape the time for money trap. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works. The first thing you need to understand is that we're living through the digital leverage revolution. For the first time in history, technology can multiply your effort infinitely, even if you're just one person. Before, your income depended on how many hours you worked. Now, it depends on how many systems you can build. Automation tools, AI assistants, and online platforms let you earn without constant input. The people making money while they sleep aren't lucky, they're leveraged. Think about it. One video, one digital product, one email sequence. These things can reach thousands of people without you lifting a finger. That's leverage. This is the exact shift that turned freelancers into business owners and creators into entrepreneurs. The rich always used leverage, people, capital, and information. Now, digital leverage gives that same power to everyone. If you can connect simple tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, Gumroad, or YouTube, you can automate almost anything, from sales to delivery. The old rule was, work more to earn more. The new rule is, build once, earn forever. And those who understand that shift aren't chasing income anymore, they're building engines that print it. Every automated income machine, whether it makes $10 a day or $10,000 a month, has the same 3 parts: traffic, conversion, and delivery. Miss one, and the system collapses. Traffic is attention. It's how people find you. Maybe through YouTube, TikTok, email, or search. The goal isn't millions of followers. It's the right 1,000 who actually care about what you offer. Conversion is where attention becomes income. It's your digital store, landing page, or checkout, the place where automation takes over. Instead of chasing customers, you build funnels that attract and convert them automatically. Delivery is what makes it passive. That's where you stop trading time for money. It's your product, an online course, an ebook, a template, a tool, something digital that can be sent instantly and infinitely. Once these 3 parts are connected, traffic feeding conversion, conversion feeding delivery, you've built a closed-loop system. You're no longer selling. You're scaling. The secret isn't complexity, it's flow. The best systems are simple enough to run on autopilot, yet powerful enough to pay your bills. And once it's running, your only job is to feed it more attention. The rest happens while you sleep. Here's the real secret behind every successful automated income system: compounding. Not of money, but of systems. Each process you automate today saves you time tomorrow, which you can use to build another system. Over time, your income doesn't just add up, it multiplies. Lucas, from our story, didn't build one giant business overnight. He built layers of automation. His first system sold a $10 digital guide. Then he automated emails to upsell a $50 product. Then he added affiliate links to create recurring revenue. Each layer worked together, compounding without extra effort. Most people never get rich because they keep rebuilding from scratch. They chase new ideas instead of improving what's already working. But wealth comes from stacking simplicity. Think of it like digital real estate. Each automated system you build is a property that pays rent every day, whether you're working or not. The goal isn't to create one perfect system. It's to own many small ones that run quietly in the background. When you stop thinking in projects and start thinking in processes, your income stops depending on you and starts depending on momentum. So where do you start, especially if you're broke, busy, or completely new to this? The answer is, automate one small thing that saves time or makes a sale. You don't need to automate your life. You just need to start the flywheel. Here's what that looks like. If you're selling a product, automate your messages. Use AI to respond to FAQs or send pre-written replies. If you're a freelancer, automate your onboarding. Create forms or templates that turn clients into instant projects. No product yet? Start with content. Schedule your posts, batch create videos, or use AI to repurpose your best ideas across platforms. Each of these moves frees hours every week, hours you can reinvest into growth. Automation isn't about replacing yourself, it's about multiplying yourself. The biggest mistake beginners make is thinking automation requires money. It doesn't, it requires clarity. There are free tools that can build entire workflows while you sleep. Zapier, Notion, Google Sheets, and ChatGPT can turn simple routines into income engines. Start with one system that saves you time, because time saved is profit earned. Then use that time to build your next one. That's how empires start, with one simple, repeatable process. Once your first system starts working, even if it only makes $5 a day, the next step is scaling it into real freedom. And here's where most people fail. They chase more instead of making what already works better. Scaling isn't about adding complexity. It's about adding fuel. You can scale in 3 simple ways. Amplify your traffic. Turn one content channel into 3. Repurpose videos into short clips, posts, and emails. Automation tools can spread your message across platforms with 0 extra effort. Multiply your offers. If one product works, create upgrades, bundles, or recurring versions. The goal isn't more products, it's more value per customer. Layer automations. Connect your systems so they feed each other. Content brings leads, leads trigger emails, emails drive sales, and sales fuel referrals. The wealthy don't work harder when they grow, they remove friction. Every click, every process, every minute gets optimized for momentum. Freedom isn't about doing nothing, it's about doing only what moves the needle. Once your system earns while you sleep, your time becomes your most valuable asset, and your job shifts from worker to architect. So now you understand the formula. Leverage, automate, and scale. But here's the secret no one talks about. Most people will never do it. Not because it's hard, but because it's too easy to ignore. They'll keep trading time for money, convincing themselves automation is for tech people or the rich. But the truth is, the only difference between them and the people making money while they sleep is action. Automation doesn't ask for genius, it asks for consistency. Every day you wait to start, someone else's system keeps running. The question is simple: will you keep working for your income, or finally build something that works for you? Because in a moment I'll show you exactly how to design your first income machine, step by step, even if you're starting from zero. Here's the truth. In 2025, the biggest opportunity isn't starting a business, it's building a system that runs like one. Automation is the great equalizer. It doesn't care about your background, education, or starting point. It only rewards those who build. You don't need employees, offices, or massive capital. You just need a clear process, a flow from attention to income, powered by the tools that already exist. That's what the new rich understand. Time is the real currency, and automation buys it back. Start small. Build one system that works, even if it only makes $1 a day. Because once you prove the loop works, scaling it to $100 or $1,000 becomes math, not magic. Forget overnight success. The real wealth is quiet, built from small systems compounding over time while everyone else is still working harder. Automation doesn't replace humans, it frees them. It gives you the chance to focus on creativity, strategy, and freedom, the things no robot can replicate. So if you're ready to stop renting your time and start owning your freedom, subscribe right now. Because in the next video, I'll show you exactly how to build your first automated income system, step by step, using free tools you can set up today. The future of wealth isn't about who works the hardest, it's about who builds the smartest. And your system? It can start running tonight, while you sleep.